I've personally handled cases where truck drivers were impaired, intoxicated, or fatigued. Under certain circumstances, punitive damages can be assessed against those drivers. In other words, they could be punished with extra damages. It makes the case much easier to pursue if in fact the truck drivers were intoxicated, impaired, or fatigued. You may need experts to prove the intoxication, the impairment, or the fatigue. We know the experts to call. You need an experienced attorney in these cases, so please just call an experienced attorney in handling these cases.